Do you like style? Do you like pie? Then you're gonna love StylePie. StylePie is a Chinese design brand focused on digital accessories for traveling, commuting, outdoor activities, and everyday carry. I like style. I like pie. When it comes to cables, you could say I'm a StylePie guy. This is the magnificence that StylePie sent me to evaluate. Whenever somebody contacts me and asks me if they could send me something, you know I always say, "Give me all you got! Give me all you got!" And they damn near did give me everything that they had. This is not every product that StylePie has to offer, but this is 5 of their best. We're going to talk about each one of these items individually, but I just wanted to kick this video off by saying electronic gadgets and gizmos are becoming a critical part of all of our everyday carries. And of course, keeping those electronic gadgets and gizmos charged is essential. Electronic gizmos and gadgets only work if you keep them charged. So you do need power cables in order to make that happen. I've said it before, I'll say it again. Your iPhone has the greater potential to save your life than your pistol or your knife does, so you gotta keep that thing charged up. And sure, you could just roll out to Amazon and get any kind of charging cable that you want, but you want a high quality charging cable in order to keep your devices charged quickly and properly, something with a little fast charging capability. But when I tell you guys, have fun with your EDC, that's not just something I'm saying. I really do mean it. And when you look at the design elements that are incorporated into these StylePie cables, you can tell this is a company that understands how to have fun while maintaining functionality. For all of you data freaks out there, if you're looking for data transfer capability, this might not be your cup of tea. StylePie's primary focus is power. So if you want something that looks hella cool but also brings that fast charging capability, StylePie's definitely got you covered. Let's jump into this. I'm going to talk about each of these items one at a time, and I think we're going to start with this is the ELF Cable Pro. And I gotta tell you folks, this is a dope EDC cable. And in case you're giggling about the name, ELF cable does not mean that it's intended to be used by elves. No, it's ELF, electricity, light, and fire. The ELF Cable Pro is obviously not just some run-of-the-mill charging cable. It is an upgraded version of their ELF cable. The ELF Cable Pro steps it up with an arc lighter and 3-level light mode flashlight, including an emergency strobe function. The only thing I don't love about this is this little leather cable strap that they've got. I kind of like the silicone cable wraps that they include with their other things, but guys, check this out. In order to access this, first of all, you've got aluminum hardware down at the end tip. This hinge structure is made with a zinc alloy and a tiny screw to keep it solid and flexible, which means this is pretty rugged. It's going to stand up for some abuse. You can see the little hinges here. You just pop these forward and they pull back to expose the USB-C. It is a USB-C charging cable with 240 watts of charging. And this awesome braided outer shell on the cable. So, I mean, this is a rugged cable that's going to stand up to some abuse. It'd be perfect for everyday carry on its own, but then when you plug in this end, you have a flashlight. And when you plug in this end, you have an arc lighter. These little plastic end caps are for more than just protecting the flashlight and the lighter hardware. These also glow in the dark. So when you turn the flashlight on, this will actually start to glow up when you turn it off. And the glow is actually pretty bright. You keep these covers in place to protect the electrodes, protect the flashlight, and I mean, this thing is fantastic. I can't speak for the regular ELF cable. I know that the lighter is slightly different. It's more of a contact lighter. This is an arc lighter, meaning you can use this to create an open flame, like in wind. You can actually plug this into your phone and the flashlight will work. The lighter doesn't work unless you plug it into an outlet or a power bank that has enough power to charge it. The default setting on the flashlight is low mode. You press the button so you can switch to medium or high brightness. You press the button again, you can turn it off. If you do a long press on the button for 2 seconds, you'll turn on flash distress or SOS mode, and then you long press the button to turn it off. Any mobile phone that supports USB-C output can be used as a power source for the ELF Cable Pro. Fire mode is no joke. With the USB connected to a power source, you just press the button and an electric arc will appear between the two electrodes. You can use any kind of kindling to touch to the electric arc and light that shit on fire. Release the button, the arc disappears, the lighter stops working. To prevent misoperation, the lighter can only work for up to 7 seconds at a time, and the power source must have a 5-volt, 3-amp output, otherwise the lighter will not work. Because of the high power output on the lighter, StylePie actually recommends that you do not use a mobile phone for a power source, but you know, it works great with a power bank. The ELF Cable Pro also contains a built-in e-marker, which is a chip that regulates power to avoid damaging your devices. In addition to the aluminum and zinc alloy end pieces, very strong, very durable, the cable itself is wrapped in nylon and TPE, which is not only flexible, but super, super durable. StylePie is bragging about a 30,000 bend lifespan, 10 times stronger than most cables. If you're a bushcrafter or an outdoor enthusiast and you are looking for a charging cable that's got some extra functionality, like a flashlight and an arc lighter, you should definitely throw this in your backpack. It's the ELF Cable Pro from StylePie. This is the U-Cable Pro, and this thing is dope as hell. It looks like something that was designed by Omni Consumer Products. I love this kind of retro-futuristic vibe it's got going. The angles are sick. I love the geometry. It just feels like I'm talking about a pocket knife. But check this out. You got an end cap. What is it protecting? You've got a USB-C interface. It works as a charging cable. But wait, there's more. What is this right here? What is that? That is an SD card that fits conveniently into the end cap of the U-Cable Pro. With the cable plugged back in, this is storage mode. You can plug this into any device and it works as a USB flash drive. Yes, that's right. This is essentially a charging cable and a USB flash drive. And as you can see, you don't even need this key ring. You could wrap this around a strap on your bag. You could put this directly onto a keychain. This is a fantastic EDC option, especially for people that need some kind of data storage capability. The strap is made of TPE, thermoplastic elastomer. It is strong and tough. Inside this bad boy is FPC, flexible printed circuit, built to last and bend resistant. The shell is made out of a zinc alloy, very sturdy, very good heat dissipation. The guts include a USB 4.0 e-marker chip, 40 gigabits a second and 240 watts of power. Transmission and charging safe and fast. There is an SD 3.0 controller chip so you can read or write to a TF card at high speeds. For the best user experience and to ensure your data stays secure, StylePie does recommend that you use high-spec TF cards from like SanDisk, Samsung, or Lexar. Speed up to 100 megabits a second, which is 3 times faster than most USB drives. It's smaller in size than a portable hard drive, and the memory can be replaced at any time. You can plug it into your iPhone, iPad, MacBook, Android tablet, PC, notebook, or even a game console. You can watch 4K movies and play them smoothly. And for all you content creators making content with your Apple phone, you can plug this in and activate ProRes 4K. 60 frames a second. All of you video folks need this cable. As I mentioned, you can just pop this out and now you've got a charging cable capable of 240 watts of fast charging power. Maybe you don't like this little carabiner keyring, fine, you don't need it. You can just wrap this around your keychain and it is not going anywhere. This thing is freaking awesome. It's the U-Cable Pro from StylePie. This is the portable Apple Watch charging cable from StylePie. And style is incorporated into the design. As you can see, they've got this model here, which has fun, colorful letters, but this is also available in like 5 or 6 other options. One of them is just called Giraffe Butt. Why? Because it's got a giraffe's ass on your Apple Watch charger. That's cute as hell. Now, if they wanted to sell more of these to men, they would probably put some skulls and shit on here, but I don't think StylePie is overly obsessed with that kind of thing. What sets this apart from other Apple Watch charging cables? Well, first of all, you might see this little clip over on this end. It allows you to fold the cable over on itself, and now look what you got. You got yourself a little loop. That means you could wrap this around a bag strap, or you could even keep it on a keychain. And this little cable is no joke. It's not just gonna shake loose. You really have to intentionally grab this and pull it apart to get them separated. And then you could just wrap it around your keychain and you're good to go. In case you're wondering how this thing functions, it does have a 5-watt fast charging capability for Apple Watch. With support of their LV Boost tech, there is No need for a fast charging adapter. You can just use your phone, tablet, or laptop to fast charge your Apple Watch. If you've got an Apple Watch Series 7 through 11, you can fully charge it in about 55 minutes. If you have an Ultra 1, 2, or 3, like I do, you can charge it in about 75 minutes. And if you have an Apple Watch Series 3 through 6, it'll take about 85 minutes to fully charge. There is a built-in N52 strong magnet that will firmly hold your Apple Watch and precisely align it with the charging cord. How do I know that it works? Because I have an Apple Watch Ultra right here. How strong is the built-in magnet? Click, clack goes the hammer. The aluminum shell also provides excellent heat dissipation for this device. And if you have a set of Apple AirPods Pro 2, Pro 3, or 4, it will work with this as well. Gotta keep those earbuds charged up, y'all. It's the portable Apple Watch charging cable from StylePie. A double pleasure's waiting for you. I saved what I think might be the best for last. This is the GEMINI cable system from StylePie. Look at this. One cable goes in and yet two cables come out. That's right. This system supports dual charging. I got two cables in one. Again, when you're talking about everyday carry, if you're like me, you've either got multiple devices to charge or you've got multiple people that are gonna need power. The GEMINI cable has got you covered. Look at this little fella over here. It looks like it's just part of the system. One cable goes in, two comes out, but guess what? It pops out. Now you can stick in your Apple Watch charger. Oh, look at this, baby. Do you not understand how cool this actually is? And wait, you're not impressed with the Apple Watch charger? Oh, and you're a size queen? This is just not big enough for you, huh? Don't want no short cords. Blam! Yeah, that's right. This is the large cable, and it works with the GEMINI system. You just unfurl this bad boy and pop it in. Now look what you got. You got a long cable and a short cable. They do sell a variety of GEMINI cables in a variety of lengths and purposes. When you start to think about all the different ways that you can configure this, the possibilities start to emerge. I'm thinking about taking a day trip to Houston to watch an Astros game with my wife and her parents. Dad's driving, mom's riding shotgun, me and the wife are in the back, and there's only one USB-C port. Now, it's not an issue. With the GEMINI cable, we can both plug our phones in and split the power. I think about when I'm traveling, no matter what kind of trip I'm taking, I always need to charge my watch and my phone. The GEMINI cable works with the Apple Watch charger, so now I can plug my phone and watch in at the same time, and I only need one USB-C port to make that happen. This has just simplified my entire travel setup. You're out in one of those shared office spaces with a partner and you only have one USB-C charging port available. You can just pop this guy out, pop in a longer cable, and now you can both charge your laptops at the same time. You can unplug it and plug it back in with relative ease. I did use the BLE Caber Q to test the functionality of this cable, and it came out smelling like a champion. Just this little charging cable itself is kind of dope. I could see this becoming a semi-permanent part of my home charging station whenever I'm not traveling. 100 watt max total output on the GEMINI engine. This thing is freaking awesome. With this 5mm liquid silicone skin, how tough are these cables? StylePie says it's gonna last you 30,000 bends across its lifetime. Oh yeah? We're gonna test that out right now. 30,000 bends, here we go. Whoo! All right, did I say 30,000? I meant 30 because I'm lazy, but check it out. This is a tough cable. How strong are we talking? It's strong enough to lift up 10 pounds, and this thing is not even struggling. What do you think of that, Willie? He's impressed. It's the GEMINI dual power fast charging system from StylePie. Overall vibe check, these cables are gas. I am super impressed with the design. I'm super impressed with the power fast charging capabilities. The fact that this has got a built-in arc lighter and a flashlight is just absolutely ridiculous. I'm really into the GEMINI system. I can't wait to actually use the U cable. Guys, I'm super impressed with everything that StylePie has sent me so far, and I say so far because I hope that they send me everything that they have. This is a cool company designing some very cool stuff. It's also fantastic for all of your everyday carry needs. Hey, when it comes to keeping your electronic gadgets and gizmos charged, just remember, think outside the box, be creative with your gear, and have fun with your EDC. This is Suds with Pocket Theory. Carry what you want!